How to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can delete Facebook account permanently without password. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure to log in with your Facebook account. So once you're on your home page, tap on the profile icon with three-line icon at the top right. And from here again tap on settings. Once you're on the settings, tap on the first section, that is Meta Account Center. Once you're here, tap on the personal details on the account settings. And then tap on account ownership and control. There, tap on deactivation or deletion. Then you have to choose your Facebook account. Now choose the second option that says delete account. Then tap on continue. Here, deleting your Facebook account will delete all the pages that has been created from your account. Then tap on continue. Now you have to provide a reason why do you want to delete your account. Then tap on continue. Again go to continue. Here scroll down a bit and you can read all of this information given to you. Once the deletion process begins, you won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So scroll down a bit and tap on continue. Now, for your security, you will be asked to enter your password. But if you don't know the password, you have to tap on forget password. You can simply get a code to log in via your email or via the Facebook notification. You can choose one from here. Once you get the code, enter the code, and once you are verified, then your account will be permanently deleted. And that's how you can delete Facebook account permanently without password. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.